Imagine traveling with everything you need packed into a vehicle no larger than a bicycle. At first glance, this unique creation looks like a charming vintage camper, but a closer look reveals something even more fascinating. It is a pedal-powered camper trike that combines transportation, shelter, and tiny home living into one compact design. Built around a three-wheel bicycle platform, this miniature camper demonstrates how creative engineering can transform a simple bike into a fully functional mobile living space. The first thing that stands out is the camper body itself. Unlike a standard bicycle trailer, this structure resembles a tiny RV. The exterior features a retro-inspired color scheme with warm brown and light blue panels, giving it a nostalgic appearance that immediately attracts attention. Large windows are placed strategically around the camper, allowing natural light to enter while providing ventilation and views of the surrounding landscape. The design is both practical and visually appealing, making it look more like a miniature home than a bicycle accessory. At the front of the vehicle is a comfortable bicycle seat connected to a sturdy frame. The rider pedals just like on a normal bicycle, but instead of pulling a trailer, the camper is integrated into the overall structure. The three-wheel configuration provides improved stability compared to a traditional two-wheel bicycle. This is especially important because the camper adds extra weight and height. The wider rear section helps keep the vehicle balanced even when parked or moving slowly. One of the most impressive aspects of this tiny camper is how efficiently it uses space. Although the entire structure appears compact from the outside, the interior has been carefully designed to maximize functionality. Through the open doorway, a small sleeping area can be seen. This bed provides enough room for a single traveler to rest comfortably after a long day on the road. The mattress is positioned along the side wall, making efficient use of the available floor space while still allowing room to move around inside. Storage is another major feature of this camper. Small cabinets and shelves are built into the interior walls, creating places to store clothing, food, tools, and travel essentials. In tiny living spaces, every inch matters, and this camper demonstrates that principle perfectly. Instead of wasting space, the designer has incorporated storage solutions into almost every available area. The overhead compartments make it possible to keep belongings organized and easily accessible. The kitchenette area is particularly interesting. Even within such a limited footprint, there appears to be a small countertop and storage cabinet. This setup could allow travelers to prepare simple meals, make coffee, or organize cooking equipment. For long-distance travelers, having even a basic kitchen can significantly improve comfort and independence. Rather than relying entirely on restaurants or convenience stores, the traveler can carry essential supplies and prepare food wherever they stop. Lighting also plays an important role in making the camper feel like a home. Warm interior lighting creates a cozy atmosphere during evenings and nighttime. Instead of feeling cramped or uncomfortable, the interior appears inviting and relaxing. The wooden cabinetry and rustic design elements contribute to a cabin-like aesthetic that enhances the overall living experience. The extended upper section above the bicycle seat is another clever design feature. This overhanging compartment increases interior space without significantly increasing the vehicle's footprint on the road. Similar to the sleeping area found above the cab of larger motorhomes, this section provides additional room while maintaining a compact overall length. It demonstrates how vertical space can be utilized effectively in tiny home designs. The rooftop rack adds another layer of practicality. Travelers could use this area to carry lightweight equipment such as camping gear, folding chairs, solar panels, or additional storage containers. By moving certain items to the roof, valuable interior space can be preserved for essential living functions. This makes the camper more versatile and suitable for extended journeys. One of the greatest advantages of a pedal-powered camper is its environmental friendliness. Unlike conventional RVs that consume fuel and produce emissions, this vehicle relies primarily on human power. This means lower operating costs, reduced environmental impact, and the ability to explore areas where larger vehicles may not be practical. For eco-conscious travelers, such a design represents an alternative approach to adventure and exploration. The camper also reflects the growing popularity of the tiny house movement. Around the world, more people are seeking ways to simplify their lives, reduce expenses, and embrace mobility. Tiny homes demonstrate that comfortable living does not necessarily require large amounts of space. This camper takes that philosophy to an even smaller scale, proving that a functional living environment can exist within an incredibly compact structure. From a travel perspective, the vehicle offers a unique sense of freedom. Instead of booking hotels or finding campsites with extensive facilities, the traveler carries their accommodation wherever they go. A lakeside view, a quiet countryside road, or a scenic forest clearing can instantly become a temporary home. This flexibility is one of the most attractive aspects of mobile living. The craftsmanship visible throughout the camper is equally impressive. The combination of wood finishes, carefully fitted cabinetry, and well-integrated components suggests thoughtful planning and skilled construction. Creating a structure that is both lightweight and durable requires careful material selection and engineering. Every element must balance strength, weight, and functionality. Safety and stability are also important considerations. The three-wheel design provides a stable platform, while the low placement of heavier components helps maintain balance. Large wheels contribute to smoother travel over uneven surfaces, and the sturdy frame supports the weight of both the camper and its occupant. These features help ensure that the vehicle remains practical as well as visually striking. What makes this camper truly remarkable is its ability to combine transportation, accommodation, and lifestyle into a single package. It is not merely a bicycle, nor simply a camper. Instead, it represents a creative blend of both concepts. Whether used for recreational travel, artistic expression, eco-friendly touring, or experimental tiny home living, it captures the imagination and challenges traditional ideas about mobility and housing. Looking at this extraordinary creation, it becomes clear that innovation often comes from rethinking familiar concepts. By transforming a simple tricycle into a fully equipped miniature home, the designer has created something that is both functional and inspiring. It serves as a reminder that adventure does not always require expensive RVs, large vehicles, or elaborate equipment. Sometimes, all it takes is a bicycle, a tiny home, and the willingness to explore the world one pedal stroke at a time.